I've been with Hyperion Solutions almost since the beginning, about 4 years ago, and I'm with the brand Texacone. I've been working in manufacturing almost 30 years. I worked in sheet metal fabrication for roughly 22 years, and the company that I worked for was acquired by an investment company. That company also owned Texacone. There were some mergers that happened, and from those mergers, then they shifted me over to Texacone. For most of my career, I've worked for smaller family-owned companies, and the feel of those companies has always been like a home away from home for me. The employees treat each other like family. We all take care of each other, and that hasn't really changed since Hyperion came into the picture. Even though we're part of something much larger now, we're still a family here, and our family has just expanded, and now we're all over the US and Canada. Family is very important to me, and I see that deep in this industry's roots. Even though things are evolving and there are so many people that grew up in this industry and are passing it on to their grandkids and their kids. I know a lot of folks these days think that you can't hire family members, and I know that you do have to be careful with that, but I promise you will never see the loyalty and passion that you get from some of those folks that have seen their parents and grandparents pour their heart and souls into a business that they love. I see that everywhere I look in this industry. Manufacturing really won my heart over a long time ago, being in the sheet metal industry, and just watching people make things with their hands. It starts out the day as a flat piece of metal and ends up a piece that goes on an airplane, or a part that goes in a computer, or a case for a computer, just lots of different things like that. And I like to be able to step into those people's world and see what they do and hear them talk about their ideas and help them realize those ideas to make their lives better and their jobs easier. Definitely, it's been a different thing becoming the GM at Texacone here and having to learn about the processes we do here. The processes we do at Texacone are very special and different from any place that I've ever seen. And over the past 4 years since I've been here, I've learned a ton. I still have a ton more to learn, but I'm really proud of the knowledge that I've gained in working here. I met a leader early in my career that had this presence that I had never really seen before. When he was in the building, there was a different vibe to the whole place. You know, everybody was doing their job more efficiently, had a bigger smile on their face, just trying to get everything done. And it wasn't that they were scared of him, it's that they had a respect for him. And that respect caused them to work harder. They wanted to work harder for him. And so I've always strived to be like him in that respect. Like, I don't ask anyone to work harder than me. I try to work alongside, my team to make sure that they see that I'm willing to put in the work, not just expect it all from them. Number one, meet as many people as you can, and always treat people with the respect that you would want to be treated with. And 3 is something that someone told me as I was stepping into the GM role here. I was very nervous because I felt like I didn't know everything that I needed to know about this business to run it right. And they told me, don't be scared of that. There's always people that are going to know more than you. You just have to be humble enough to accept their help and know who to go to. This industry is full of people who are willing to share their knowledge if you'll just ask them and listen.